What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're doing a nice, easy bacon guacamole grilled cheese. Got this thick cut apple smoked bacon. Ooh, it's gonna be some good stuff. Let's just get it going. Get the sizzle going. Just 3 pieces of bacon here. All right. And we're gonna, you know what, while this is cooking, let's go make some guacamole. So you see how we made that? Nice and easy, real easy to do. Now we like our stuff like chunkier. We don't like it, smooth, like where you press the guacamole. It's just not the avocado. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna be delicious. This is how we always do it. It's how we like it. So let's give this bacon a flip. I think we're ready. So here's what we got. We have 2 slices of the bigger country white bread. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get them things ready. This bacon's almost done. This is the mixture we do. It's Duke's mayonnaise with garlic, minced garlic in there. That's how we like to do it. Really good fry with mayonnaise, sorry. Yeah, we used to use butter all the time, but then somebody told us about using the mayonnaise and way better. And then the garlic in there just gives it an extra kick. I mean, it's like so good. I don't even know how to explain it. So we're just lathering these things up nice. Get them nice and good. That stuff's gonna cook up just good like that. Thank you. And let's see how we're doing on this bacon. Oh yeah. If you follow my channel, you know I like my bacon crispy. So that's good just like that. Let that go. Give it a little scrape over here. Clean this up a little bit. That bacon grease, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Don't really need it, but there we go. So we got everything ready. Let's just go ahead and start building this thing. What temp are we rolling on? It's at 415. We're down on low, or like a medium low. So let's just plop 1 piece down. Ooh, got that sizzle happening. We're gonna go with 2 pieces of cheese. Ooh, ooh. Let's throw the bacon on. Got 1. Ooh, man, you can smell that garlic cooking up. So we got it built. I got 3 pieces of cheese on there, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. And I forgot, I normally don't put the stuff on top here because I put my press on to kind of make sure I get a nice cook on there, but I forgot. So boom. I want that cheese to hurry up and start melting so nothing falls apart. So you see we got a nice toast on there from that mayonnaise. Ooh, and that garlic in there. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I cannot wait. I did put my press on there just because I wanted to get it more compact. Because when, I don't know, when I'm making a grilled cheese, it always makes me nervous. That top cheese, it's not fully melted and it's holding that bun together. But that didn't go bad. That was good. So yeah, let's just let this thing warm up for just a hot second. Getting ready to eat. All right, let's see how this thing looks. Ooh, man, got some nice weight to that too. Ooh, nice golden brown. It's about to go down in here. Man, this looks so good. I don't even know where, I'm gonna go right here. Let's get this. Ooh, all these flavors. Oh. That guacamole is fantastic. Fresh fruit, or I'm sorry, vegetables. So good. Got that jalapeno out the garden. Man, that red onion's nice and strong. I love the crunch in this kind of guacamole. That bacon. That's all I got. Man, give it a try. So good. I mean, use your own guacamole, whatever you like, you know. So good. And that sauce that we put on it to toast the bread, oh, it's just divine. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I got a big list growing, so actually maybe next video I'll do a poll. You guys can pick from, I'll give you a few options and tell me what you want me to cook. How about that? All right, have a good one. Thanks for coming by.